The entire crypto market is crashing massively. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, XRP. Pretty much any coin you can imagine is down massively today, especially. Why is the market going down? What is going on? And when is it going to stop? When is the market going to go back up? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly my thoughts and everything you need to know with everything I just said. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, that you are subscribed with notifications on, but most importantly, that you stick around to the end of this video. I have something very important that I need to share with you. So this is called a correction, something I've been kind of talking about, hinting around would likely happen or happen at some point. A correction is a part in the market or a retracement when you have a very strong bullish market. I mean, Bitcoin has just pumped up endlessly from $40,000. It also pumped up basically endlessly from $24,000. We only saw one correction. Another correction we did saw, but a market just bounced up immediately, even that same exact day. So now we're actually having a real correction, not just a quick dump and pump back up, but the market is correcting, which means that we're entering into a downtrend. So we see lower lows, lower highs. Every single pump right now, every single time the market pumps up, it goes back down and it gets sold off. And what is happening is that people are selling. They're distributing. They're taking their profits. So the people that bought very, very low, they're taking profits. And that's essentially what is happening. Now, what drives the markets really strong like this is those Bitcoin ETFs. So just like the Bitcoin ETFs are also very bullish for the market, and they push the market up very strong and very fast, they can also have a short-term bearish effect when they start selling and people are taking profits. It can cause this selling pressure, which pushes down the price of Bitcoin, which then pushes the price down of Dogecoin and XRP and all of our favorite coins. Wow, it's crazy. Look at this XRP, 57 cents right now. Shiba Inu, Quad 024, Dogecoin at 13 cents, just about. Solana is crashing pretty big today, down 15% at $170, so not the end of the world. We could see here, cryptobubbles.com, a lot of coins are massively in the red, but I have some very, very, very good news for you. Although the market is crashing the past couple of days, and for some coins the past week, the past 2 weeks, most of these coins are up 300%, 200%, 400%, 1,000%. A lot of these coins are up big and they're going down 20, 30%. That's really nothing. It goes up 1,000%, comes down 20%, 30%. Is that really that big of a deal? Also, if you look at Bitcoin from top to bottom, it has only corrected now 17%. Bitcoin, it is quite typical for Bitcoin to see 30% corrections, but the biggest corrections we have seen last year was 20%. Sorry, not 20% from top to bottom, 16%. We have 19% there and 21%. So Bitcoin is getting very, very, very close to those historical retracement levels where it will typically bounce, which means, ladies and gentlemen, that your favorite altcoins are going to soon be bouncing. So when the selling stops, when Bitcoin stops dumping every 5 seconds, essentially, and it actually starts to find support and the sellers are out of the market, the price is going to stabilize. Then the price is going to start going up and going to start its uptrend back again. So the market is selling off, but it's soon going to stop selling off, and probably much sooner than you expect. And when it does bounce up, it's going to bounce up really, really, really strong, especially for these altcoins. Remember, whenever these altcoins, they correct or crash, they bounce up 20, 30, 40% very, very, very quickly. And I'm very confident that that is what's going to happen very soon. So how much longer do we have to go? Well, I just gave you those numbers of where Bitcoin will typically correct to. I'm thinking that Bitcoin might come down to this $59,000 level, which could happen today, could happen in the matter of minutes or hours, but we have just about 5% more to go till we reach this level, which is the level that I think Bitcoin will probably ultimately come down to. We have Ethereum. Ethereum has already corrected over 22%, so we're at $3,000. It was just $4,100. So I'm expecting Ethereum probably to maybe 2,700, going to be the lowest that I'm thinking. $3,000 is going to be a really good level, long-term entries to get back into Ethereum. So although the market is correcting and is going down, it's completely normal, completely healthy part of a crypto bull market. And this is very typical of what we will see before a Bitcoin halving, which is just about less than 30 days away. So what I'm expecting here is we're going to get a pullback, but then we're going to get a bounce, and it's going to take us to new highs for a lot of these cryptos. So it's not the time to panic. It's actually the time to load up and to DCA, dollar cost average, at these discounts. I personally haven't really sold much of anything. Hindsight, I would have liked to take profits on a few coins, but I just didn't feel that the risk to reward was worth it, because here's the thing: in a bull market, I'm still very bullish on everything. I'm very, very bullish. And I know we have a lot more room to go, especially with the Bitcoin halving. And if I sell now for a 2x gain or a 3x gain and I take a bunch of profits and the market goes way up, I'm really going to lose out on a lot more profits versus just taking small amounts of profits for really not much of what I'm planning on and looking forward to. What's very interesting is if we take a look at Algosniper, the trading indicator that I highly recommend for you guys to use, it will tell you exactly when to sell and buy. It told us to sell at 4,000 for Ethereum. It also told us to sell at the very top of Bitcoin. Look at this, $72,000 on the 4-hour time frame. And now we're getting some very bearish signals here, confirming this downtrend on Algosniper. This coin, it worked exactly at the very top for Shiba Inu right there. Also at Dogecoin at the very top. If you guys were using this, which I highly recommend you guys can try just today for $1 at algosniper.com, it's going to help you to exactly understand when it's best to buy and sell. Now as well, make sure you guys are in the Patreon, where I'm giving you guys incredible trade alerts where we are making a whole lot of money buying coins, all different types of coins. We are making lots of money. If you guys want to have access to these credible signals, these trades, and these constant market updates, so you know exactly what coins to sell, what coins to buy, make sure you join the Patreon right now for full immediate access. Something I highly recommend you guys need right now. As well, if you guys want to be trading cryptos, make sure you do it over on Blowfin. It's a platform that me and my community trade on. They give you up to $2,000 deposit bonuses. You guys can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. Highly recommend it. Use that with the Blowfin link below. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and I will see you later.